So playing with number is something that you need to place the unit values here, right? Let's say 52, so 1 is the unit place, that means 10 to the power 0 is nothing but 1 and 1 is unit, right? And 5 is in the place of is in tens place, so 10 to the power 1 into 5. Similarly ABC can be written like this. Beta, this is unit place, this is tens place, and this is 100 place, right? So unit place can be written as 10 to the power 0, and 10 to the power 0 is nothing but 1, right? Into C. Then B is in the tens place, so 10 to the power 1 into B, right? Similarly, A is in the 100 place, so 10 to the power 2 is nothing but 100. So can I write it like this? 100A plus 10B plus C, right? So this can be written like this. Any doubt? Okay. Now take one another example. How to write 302? 302. How to write 302 in this form? See, 2 is in the unit place, 2 is in the unit place, 0 is in the tens place, and 3 is in the 100 place. So simply I can write 10 to the power 2 into 3 plus 10 to the power 1 into 0 plus 10 to the power 0 into 2. Any doubt? So this is a simple representation of a number in forms of unit digit, tens digit and 100 digits, right? Please note it down fast. Please note it down fast. Okay, now the first example is find Q in the addition. Find Q in the addition. Example 1. 3 1 Q plus 1 Q3 1 Q3. You just need to add these values and you will get 501. 501. Now see. अब प्लीज इधर देखिए, प्लीज डोंट राइट व्हाइल आई एम टीचिंग, ओके? नाउ यहाँ देखिए बेटा, यू नीड टू टेल व्हाट इज द वैल्यू फॉर q. कैन एनीवन टेल मी हाउ टू गेट दिस वैल्यू q? Can anyone tell me how to get this value q? Now see, here the result is 1. How can I get 1 here? So can I write q as 8? Any doubt? Any doubt? Let's say q is 1. 1 plus 3 should be 4, but here is 1. Let's say you just put q equals to 2. 2 plus 3, 5, but here is 1. How I get 1? I mean, what number I should add with 3 so that I get 1 here? 8. Obviously. So 8 plus 3 is 11. So if this is 1, there is one carry 1, right? Okay. Now what I'll add? So q is 8. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8, it's 10. So 0 and 1. 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 5. So what is your answer? 5. So what is the value for q is? Q is nothing but 8. So that's why the name of this topic is playing with numbers. That how to adjust the numbers here so that you will get the desired result, right? Any doubt in this step, please let me know. Okay, we will do another question, but before that just note it down fast. Note it down fast, this question. Okay, let's take first question of a exercise 3a plus 2 5. You just need to add these two values so that you will get b2, right? Now please see here, please. 7, yes, exactly. So how will I get, if I want to get 2 here, so what number I should add with 5 so that I'll get 2 here? 7, because 5 plus 7 is 12, right? That means a is nothing but 7. Now 7 plus 5 is 12, so there is one carry 1, right? So 2 plus 1, 3 and 3 is 6. So what what should be the value for B is 6 and what should be the value for A is 7. You can even justify here, right? See, 37 plus 25 is 62. Any doubt to any student? I don't think बेटा इसमें कोई doubt होगा, but still if you have any doubt please raise your hand. Okay, then note it down fast. Now the second question is 4A plus 9A, right? 4A plus 98 and you will get C, B and 3. Okay, C, B and 3. Now see, what should be the value of A, so that if I add 8 plus A, I get 3. 5 exactly. So 8 plus 3, 8 plus 5 is beta 13, right? So this is 3 and there is one carry 1.
14.
9 plus 1, 10, 4, 14. That means C will be 1 and B will be 4. Any doubt? Okay. Note it down fast. Then the fourth question is A, B plus 37 divided by 6A. Now the next question is AB plus 37 will give you 6A, right? Now this is 6. I don't know what is B, I don't know what is A, but here it is given that the sum of these two values is 6, right? Okay. So let's say 3 plus 2. Let's say A is equals to 2. 3 plus 2 is 5, but here is 6. Now, if I suppose put B equals to 5, let's say B is equals to 5, then 5 plus 7 is 12. There is one carry, so 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6. So 62. Any doubt? Any doubt to any student? Please note it down fast. Exactly. Now, see, here is 8, right? Here is 8. You don't know what is B. So, how I'll get 8 here if I know there is 1? You can simply write B plus 1 is equals to 8. Right, beta? So, B can be written as 8 minus 1 is equals to 7. Easy. So, B is nothing but the 7. 7 plus 1 is 8, right? Okay. Now you said there is, so B is 7, right? And here it is given that this is 1. How I get 1 if I have one number is 7? 7 plus 4 is 11, right? So 7 plus 4 is 11. So 1 is there and there is one carry, right? Now I have already mentioned that A is 4. Now 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. 7, 7. Right? Any doubt? Any doubt to any student? So please raise your hand. Okay, please note it down fast then. देखिए till this step we don't know what is A and what is B, right? Till this step we don't know what is A and what is B. Now see, 6 plus 1 7. Okay, 6 plus 1 7, or A is here and A is here and A is here. Okay, and there is 9. So there are two cases here. either A can be 7 or B can be 2, because 7 plus 2 is 9, right? Or A is 2 and B is 7, right? So 7 plus 2 is 9, or you can say 8 plus 1 is 9.
Yes, sir. 8 plus 9.
Okay. Now let's say A is 8 and B is equals to 1.
9.
So 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. Now if this is 8, then this is also 8.
8 plus
8 plus 2 is
10.
10. Okay. 6 plus 1 and 1 8. So A is
2.
8. So 8 and 1 is the correct answer. Why 7 and 2 is wrong? Please see here. Now I write this question again. 1, 2, A, 6, A, B. You just need to add both these values. You will get A, 0, 9. Let's say A is 7, right? Let's say A is 7 and B is 2. What I'll get? 9. Okay, no problem. Now A is 7. A is 7. Beta 7 plus 2 is 9. But I want 0. That means 10. I want 10 in my result. But what I'll get 7 plus 2 is 9. So beta यहाँ पे आप लोग wrong हो, ठीक है? But it's a nice attempt that at least you people tried how to solve these questions. Okay. So 8 and 2. So 809 is the correct answer, right?
Yes.
Okay. Please note it down fast, beta. So in case of multiply, first you take A is equals to 5, because 5 is the only case where you will get 5 and 5. I mean both the same digits you will get only in the case of 5. In the rest cases you will not get the same digits in this position and in this position, right? Now 3 5s are 15, so you will get carry 1. Now B, what should be the value of B? It can be either 1 1, it can be either 2 2, it can be 3 3. So you can just simply try 1 1. I mean 15 into 13. When you multiply these two values, you will get 195, which is very much lesser than this 575, right? Now you just try 35 into 33. When you multiply these two values, you will get 1155, which is very much greater value than 575, right? So in both these cases, you will not get the desired answer, which is equals to 575. So in this case, what you will do, you just put B is equals to 2. When you multiply 25 into 23, you will get the exact answer, the desired answer, which is equals to 575. Any doubt? If there is no doubt, please note it down first. So the question is 1A into A, and the answer that you will get is 9A. What is the answer?
966.
Okay. So you are saying that A should be 6. Why? The reason behind is exactly. The reason behind is 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. But I just take the unit digit here, right? 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81, and 10 10s are 100, right? How many instances are there where these three values are same? See, 1 1s are. So it can be 11 into 1, which cannot be possible because 11 into 1 is 11, right? So this can't be the answer, right? Okay. Now 2 2s are 4. This cannot be the answer because 2 2 and here is 4. 3 3s are 9. It can also not be the answer. Now 5 5 and 5, right? Now it can be 15 into 5, but 15 5s are 75. So this also cannot be the answer, right? Now 6 6 36. Okay, now 16 into 6, 16 6 are 96. Okay, now this is my answer. Any doubt? So how you will approach and how to start solving these questions, you just need to learn these basic concepts. Because A, what this thing tells me is if I multiply two numbers in such a way that the result is also same, like 6 6 are 36, so I get 6 as a unit digit, right? Please note it down fast. Please note it down fast. So this question will be your homework. This is question number 5. Okay. So exercise 16.1 homework is question number 5. Question number 6. Question number 7. So these 3 questions are for the homework, and please try this question also. Half part I have solved and you need to solve the half part. Okay? Any doubt? Okay.